Hello student, good morning all of you. In last video lecture, I discussed with you synthesis of ethane butol and isoniazide. Ethane butol and isoniazide, these two drugs are anti-tubercular drug. Then today I am discussing with you three drugs. First is the phenobarbital. Phenobarbital is also called as the phenobarbital. Then phenobarbital is hypnotic drug. Then second one is the benzocaine. Benzocaine is the local anesthesia. And third one is the paludin. Paludin is used as a anti-malarial drug. Then first we see the synthesis of phenobarbital, or it is also called as the phenobarbital. It is a CNS drug and used as a hypnotic. Then phenobarbital starting material for synthesizing phenobarbital is diethyl carbonate. Here two ethyl group, therefore diethyl carbonate group CO3. Suppose Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, Na2 2Na and CO3 sodium carbonate. Similarly, here two ethyl group and CO3 carbonate group. Then first starting material is the diethyl carbonate. Di means two, ethyl means C2H5. Two ethyl group attached to the CO3 group, formation of diethyl carbonate. Then this diethyl carbonate condensed with benzyl cyanide. Here benzyl C6H5 CH2 group is called as the benzene. Benzyl. Then cyanide is the CN. Therefore here C6H5 CH2 CN, this is the benzyl cyanide. Then condensation, the two product diethyl carbonate and benzyl cyanide is condensed by releasing one molecule of C2H5OH. Here OC2H5 group from diethyl carbonate and one of the H from benzyl cyanide released in the form of C2H5OH. Therefore releasing ethanol molecule, here diethyl carbonate and benzyl cyanide to form condensed product. First, here CN remains as it is, C6H5 remains as it is, only H is replaced by here COOC2H5. This is formation of compound first. Then this compound first is react with first H2SO4 hydrolysis. Here cyanide group undergoes hydrolysis, and for hydrolysis two water molecules is required. Then CN is converted to the COOH. This is the first step. Means reaction with H2SO4, CN undergoes hydrolysis converted to the COOH. In second step, this COOH react with C2H5OH means ethanol. Therefore acid plus alcohol to form ester. Therefore introducing second COOC2H5 group reaction with the C2H5OHCl means CN undergoes hydrolysis converted to the COOH, and COOH react with C2H5OH converted to the ester, that is COOC2H5. Then here this COOC2H5, this compound first treated with sodium. Here H is replaced by sodium. Then in second step, this sodium compound reacted with C2H5Br. Then Na and Br released in the form of NaBr, and C2H5 group attached to the carbon atom, means H is replaced by C2H5. Here C6H5 remains as it is, ester groups remains as it is, only H, this compound first treated with sodium, then H is replaced by Na, and when this sodium compound again treated with second compound C2H5Br, then releasing NaBr, here H is replaced, sodium is replaced by C2H5. Then after this compound second, here we replaced H by C2H5. Then ester groups remains as it is, C6H5 remains as it is, only H is replaced by C2H5 in compound number third. Then this compound third is react with urea, CONH2 NH2. Here two NH2 group attached to the carbonyl group urea. Then one of the H from NH2 and OC2H5. Here in case of ester OC2H5, there are two OC2H5, therefore two OC2H5 and two hydrogen atom from urea released in the form of C2H5OH. That is two molecule of ethanol released when compound third is reacted with urea. Here in case of ester OC2H5, here two OC2H5 groups are present. Then two OC2H5 groups and H from urea releasing in the form of two ethanol molecule. And here condensed product fourth is nothing but phenobarbital. Here urea CO NH2 H is H and OC2H5 released in the form of C2H5OH. Therefore CO NH CO C C2H5 and C6H5. Here one C group is C2H5 and another group is the C6H5. Then the condensed product, here NH2 one of the H react with the OC2H5 and release in the form of C2H5OH, and condensed product is a CO NH CO C2H5 C6H5. This is the phenobarbital. And phenobarbital is used as a hypnotic drug. Then its onset of action is slow, that is action is slow, phenobarbital 1 hour, but duration of its action is it's long, means 10 to 16 hours. Action is slow, for action it required 1 hour, but duration of its action is 10 to 16 hours. It is also effective in the control of epileptic seizure, so used in the treatment of general convulsion in children because anticonvulsant action of barbiturates is the part of their hypnotic effect. Phenobarbital can also be used to relieve cyclic vomiting syndrome symptoms. It is the first line choice for the treatment of neonatal seizures. This is the phenobarbital. Phenobarbital is used as a hypnotic drug. Then second drug benzocaine. Benzocaine is first synthesized in 1890 by the German chemist Edward Richter and introduced into the market in 1902 under the name anesthesia. Therefore, benzocaine is used as a local anesthesia. Then benzocaine is the ethyl ester of para-amino-benzoic acid. Ethyl ester of para-amino-benzoic acid. Here para-amino-benzoic acid short form is the PABA. P stands for para, A stands for amino, B stands for benzoic and A stands for acid. Therefore PABA is nothing but para-amino-benzoic acid. Then it can be prepared from para-amino-benzoic acid and ethanol by esterification or via the reduction of ethyl para-nitrobenzoate. Here benzoic acid means benzene attached COH group at para position NH2 group is present. Therefore name of the first structure is the para-amino-benzoic acid, means starting material of synthesis of benzocaine is the para-amino-benzoic acid. Then this para-amino-benzoic acid may be synthesized from para-nitrobenzoic acid. Then para-nitrobenzoic acid undergoes reduction to form para-amino-benzoic acid. This acid react with alcohol, means esterification. Acid plus alcohol form ester. Therefore COH react with, here para-amino-benzoic acid react with C2H5OH. Formation of COH group is converted to the COOC2H5. NH2 groups remains as it is. Only acid plus alcohol form ester. Therefore para-amino-benzoic acid react with ethanol to form benzocaine, means COH group is converted to the COOC2H5OH by releasing water molecule. Or benzocaine is also synthesized from para-nitrobenzoate. Here para position NO2 group present, para-nitrobenzoate NO2. Here NO is present, but NO2 group, not NO, NO2. Para-nitrobenzocaine, benzocaine COOC2H5. Then this para-nitrobenzocaine undergoes reduction in presence of iron H2O. NO2 group undergoes reduction converted to the NH2. Therefore, para-nitrobenzocaine undergoes reduction to form para-nitrobenzoate undergoes reduction to form benzocaine, or para-aminobenzoic acid undergoes esterification with ethanol to form benzocaine. These are the two methods of synthesis of benzocaine, from para-aminobenzoic acid or from para-nitrobenzoate. Here AT indicates presence of ester. Therefore, benzene ring attach NO2 group and COOC2H5. In case of para-nitrobenzoate undergoes reduction, means NO2 group is reduced to the NH2 and formation of a benzocaine. Or para-nitrobenzoic acid react with ethanol molecule. Here COH group is converted to the ester and formation of a benzocaine. And benzocaine is used as a local anesthesia. Benzocaine is indicated to treat variety of pain related condition. It may be used as follows. These are the drugs used to produce partial or total loss of consciousness by their action on CNS when there is a major or complicated surgery. Then local anesthesia of oral and pharyngeal mucous membranes, sores, mouth ulcers, toothache, gums, etc. Then it is also used in earache or surgical or procedural local anesthesia. Means benzocaine is used as a local anesthesia. Phenobarbital is used as the hypnotic drug or CNS drug, and benzocaine is used as a local anesthesia in mouth surgery or pharyngeal mucous membrane surgery. The third one, here third drug is a paludrin. Paludrin is a anti-malarial drug, and starting material of paludrin is para-chloroaniline. At para position, chlorine atom present, aniline, benzene ring attached to the NH2. Therefore, name of this first compound is the para-chloroaniline. Then para-chloroaniline undergoes diazotization. Diazotization reagent NaNO2 HCl at 273 Kelvin temperature. Then which group undergoes diazotized? NH2 group undergoes diazotized, converted to the N2Cl. That is compound number first. Means para-chloroaniline undergoes diazotization, formation of compound number first. Then this para-chlorobenzene diazonium chloride. This again react with here compound second. Compound second name is the cyanoguanidine. Cyanoguanidine. Therefore, here compound first and compound second undergoes condensation. Here H from NH2 group and Cl from diazonium chloride group released in the form of HCl, and here para position chlorine remains as it is. Then N2 released in the form of N2 gas, and Cl and H released in the form of HCl, and at remaining cyanoguanidine group attached like this to formation of compound number third is the Cl, NH, C double bond NH. Here one of the H from NH2 group and Cl it is in the form of HCl. Therefore only NH group is remains. Then benzene ring NH, C double bond NH, NH, Cn. Here releasing one molecule of HCl and one molecule of N2 gas. Means N2 is released in the form of N2 gas and Cl is released in the form of HCl, and formation of condensed product is the third. Means from synthesis of paludrin, step first, para-chloroaniline undergoes diazotization. Then this diazotized product react with cyanoguanidine and formation of a compound third. Then step first is the synthesis of compound third. Then in case of step second, here compound third condense with isopropyl amine. Here propyl means 3 carbon atom. At carbon atom number 2, NH2 group is present. Therefore, name of this compound is the isopropyl amine. Then compound third, an isopropyl amine in presence of copper sulfate condense to form paludrin or progranil. Here H from NH2 group attached to the N and converted the group NH, and carbon attached to the NH. Therefore, chlorine remains as it is. Benzene ring NH, C double one NH, NH, C double one. Here isopropyl amine NH2H from NH2 group is transferred to the nitrogen atom and converted to the C double one NH. Then this carbon again attached to NH. Here CH, CS3, CS3. Therefore, condensation of compound third with isopropyl amine to formation of paludrin. And another name of paludrin is the N-P-chlorophenyl N5 isopropyl digunide. It is called as the paludrin. Therefore, paludrin contain cyanidin group. Here, progranil is usually taken in combination with another antimalarial drug such as atovaquone. For example, in the combination of malarone or arcochloroquine. Malarone has fewer side effects than mefloquine but can be more expensive because it is taken daily. Then progranil or paludrin is taken with atovaquone for chloroquine resistance and multi-drug resistant strains of Paravivex. This is the synthesis of paludrin. Paludrin is used as the antimalarial drug. Today we discuss synthesis of benzocaine, synthesis of paludrin, and synthesis of phenobarbital. Phenobarbital drug is used as a CNS drug or hypnotic. Benzocaine is used as a local anesthesia, and progranil or paludrin is used as the antimalarial drug. You remember that paludrin or progranil synthesis contain cyanoguanidine group. Thank you for listening.